The SBI PO exam functions as a highly competitive gauntlet where success depends on a specific structural strategy. This roadmap breaks down the 3 phases of the exam, detailing sectional time hacks, specific interview tactics, and the exact mathematical formula the bank uses to calculate your final score. Many candidates apply identical study techniques to every phase of the test, ignoring the unique requirements of each round. To succeed, you must optimize your tactics to fit the distinct rules and constraints of the individual phases. Phase 1, the prelims, consists of 100 questions for 100 marks, to be completed in exactly 60 minutes. This is a qualifying round. Marks earned here are used exclusively to shortlist candidates for the next stage and have no impact on your final job selection rank. This table outlines the prelim structure. The exam is divided into English, numerical, and reasoning sections, with a 1/4 mark penalty for incorrect answers. You are restricted by a 20-minute window for each section, preventing you from jumping between subjects. Given these constraints, you should abandon any question that takes longer than 45 seconds to answer. The prelims phase tests your time management and speed, rather than your total mastery of the subjects. Phase 2 is the mains objective test, the primary scoring stage that determines your final standing. This round is a 3-hour block, requiring you to attempt 170 questions for a total of 200 marks. As shown in this chart, the heaviest point values are concentrated in reasoning and computer aptitude, as well as data analysis and interpretation. These 2 specific sections carry the highest weights in the objective portion. Because these marks directly influence your final rank, you should avoid educated guesses that could lead to significant negative marking penalties. While the prelims required speed, the mains phase requires deep, disciplined accuracy to maximize your points. The mains descriptive test begins immediately after the 3-hour objective portion concludes. This table displays the 50-mark writing assignments, which include an email, a report, and either a situation analysis or précis. You have 30 minutes to complete these 3 distinct tasks, creating an intense time constraint. Dedicate the first 5 minutes of the test exclusively to outlining your responses before you begin typing. Scoring well in the descriptive phase is a matter of memorizing and executing rigid, formal templates under pressure. Phase 3 serves as the behavioral evaluation, consisting of a psychometric test, a group discussion, and a personal interview. Assessors use these stages to evaluate teamwork, communication clarity, leadership, analytical thinking, and confidence. In the group discussion, demonstrate leadership by actively encouraging quieter members to participate in the conversation. Phase 3 validates your potential as a collaborative banking leader. The final step is understanding the mathematical formula the bank uses to select candidates. The bank removes the prelims data entirely from the final calculation. The final score is a normalized result based on a 75% weight from the mains results and a 25% weight from the group discussion and interview. Every strategic choice you make, from skipping slow questions to avoiding guesses, is designed to maximize your performance within this 75-25 split. Navigating the timeline to the final merit list requires 4 tactical shifts. You can implement these changes in your next study session. Attempt a Phase 1 mock test today, using 20-minute sectional timers to simulate the real environment. Mastering the rules of the game is the requirement for securing an SBI PO position.